The number one place that I always start with a space is the people. The people are what really matter in a space. It's not just some frivolous thing that we put together and it's spreadsheets in a magazine. That when I'm creating a home, I think about the people first. And my master bedroom is a space where the kids love to pile on the bed and watch movies, and my youngest likes to sit and snuggle for a few minutes in the morning before we get up and get going, and I love that. I love that. To me, this room is full of all of that life, and just, it's sweet, sweet, sweet family time spent in this room. I've realized that it doesn't feel fresh and new, and that's kind of what's been sort of eating at me, is that it lacks that feeling of personal hominess for me, because I wake up every day and I'm like, this is pretty, and I think I'm ready for something new. And I've really debated about that because it kind of bugged me about myself, like, just be grateful. It's a lot of work to paint a room. But I just realized about myself, I'm the type of person that I just really love trying things. I think that that is what is so adventurous about life, and that's what really thrills me. And when I look at this space every day when I wake up, I don't have this feeling of like, yes, home. Oh, yes, this is home. It's like, it's pretty. Well, so are magazines, but that doesn't mean that they're my house or my home. So I want that feeling. I want that feeling when I wake up and I'm just like, yes, home. So yeah, I'm excited, and I'm like, ugh, do I really want to paint this? Yeah, I do. I took a really long time to think about it. Yep, I do, I'm sure. So let's paint it. I'm not sure. I'm never sure, just so you guys know. That's a total lie. It's because it is pretty. You guys, I can hear you. You're like shaking your heads. You're like, what? What is she thinking? It's so pretty. I know. The color is gorgeous. I'm just ready to try something new. You guys are always asking me what colors I like to use, and this is actually the same color as my kitchen cabinets. So clearly I am a fan, and I keep using this color over and over. And there's like now 10 shades of black in my house, but I really love this Nightclub by Behr. It's a marquee color, and it's one coat. And I chose this because it's not like super black. That would definitely be the limousine leather that I've used in other areas. But this one, especially in this room that doesn't get a ton of light, I really felt like I needed to do something that wouldn't be so stark. I may regret that afterwards, we'll see. In which case, I'll just paint it over. I probably have some extra of the other one, but it's got a good, it's a smoky black. And so it's not so stark, and I think that should be good for this room. And I'm only doing the one accent wall on this, and I know that a lot of people are like, ugh, accent walls. And I'm like, I don't know, I like it. It's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get started trimming out the top and the bottom, then get this wall done, and then the rest is gonna go white. What you doing?
Hey, building the bed.
Yay. As you guys can see, it's dark. And Jack covered up the TV with the mattress so he could build the bed.
And didn't turn it off first.
So we have Indiana Jones playing in the background.
But you can't hear it.
Yeah, well, at least we can listen to it. And that would be the box with the remaining paint and sneak peek of things in here. The paint went up really great. And now we're just putting everything kind of back together. Bringing up the rear, very much appreciated. We haven't had a bed in a while. This will be really fun.
It will, it's been a long time.
All right, see you on the other side. It's wonderful when your kids still want to run and jump into your bed, and I love that more than I could ever even say. And so my master bedroom to me is this beautiful, cozy sanctuary that I can't think of anywhere else in my house that's cozier. It's the ultimate. If there's something about your bed, oh, there's something about your bed. It's the place that you just feel so at ease and cozy and comfortable. The thing was that originally the bed was on the floor and it was a little low for watching TV, so I bought a very inexpensive bed. Best kept secret, this bed is from Wayfair and cost about $350. I am not kidding. The quality is fantastic. I'm so impressed, and it was actually on back order for a while, I think because it's so popular. It has 5 stars, amazing reviews. It was easy to put together. It took a little bit of time to get it together, but it wasn't anything that was that bad. The other thing that made this room so amazing is the fact that the floors are now done in here. White carpet is gone. What a difference. The other thing that I always do is bring a ton of light into a space. So when we first bought the house, there were really heavy drapes on the walls, blinds on every single surface, and so I raised the blinds, I let nature come in and all that beautiful light, and I lightened the curtains, even from my own design, even from before I had heavy drapes, and I was ready for something that just felt fresh and full of light and life, and I'm so pleased with how this has turned out. I didn't overly decorate the space. Now, you guys know, I empty the room, and then I have a pile of stuff, and I just go through the pile and work very organically. I brought plants into my space because even in my master bedroom, I love this feeling of life. So again, I like light and life. It has to be purposeful. It needs to be cozy. You guys know modern cozy is my thing. I just love it. And I think that the things that you surround yourself are things that should matter to you. And so whether it is decorated or not, just forget that. Think about the things that when you look at them, they spark that chemical reaction and you just feel so happy. That is what you should surround yourself with every single day. So I'm gonna give you a quick little walk around and give you the full tour. As you can see, I've got lots of plants in here, of course. And one of my favorite things to do is when we're doing our Friday night snuggles is I've got matches. Yeah, I love to light candles. And so my room always has lots of candles. You guys know, because I've talked about it incessantly, that I like this Bibliotech Byredo candle. I don't light them all because then the room might feel a little bit overwhelming, but I love to have low light in my space. Oh, one of the things that I did that was completely insane is I took out the fan. Okay, nobody takes out their fans in Georgia, but I did. And I replaced it with a paper lamp. And I did that because that's what I like. And I thought I was gonna put a chandelier back in here, but I couldn't find anything that I liked better than this. So this is what it is. And if I eventually find something that I would rather have in here, then I'll put that in here then. But for now, the space just makes me so happy, and I have the ability to make it lit if I want it to be with an overhead light, but then I've got all this great low light. Oh my gosh, I gotta show you this. Oh my gosh, guys, come over here. Okay, this lamp is IKEA's best kept secret. This lamp charges your phone. I know, so I think you have to have an iPhone 8, I think is what it charges. I can't remember. I think mine's an 8. Whatever the newest one is. My husband's gonna be like, oh my God, seriously, woman? I don't know what number mine is, but this charges your phone. And it's amazing because I forget to charge my phone all the time, and I am the worst about having my phone being out of battery. So it charges itself all night long, and it's amazing. Every single night, I spritz myself with a little Chanel. It's starting to get a little bit low. So Chanel, Mademoiselle, spritz myself with this. If you wanna know what I smell like while I sleep, yeah, this is what I smell. Just something so romantic about sleeping in Chanel. And that's what I do. It makes me so happy, and it puts me to sleep. It makes me just feel like there's just so much yumminess all around me, and it puts me straight to sleep. It's so glorious. Then I also for practicality's sake, I always have a box on my bedside table. This one just has rubber bands and earrings that I've taken out, and I forgot to take them out maybe by the sink, and so I'll just throw them in this box and then eventually put them back. But I just like having somewhere to corral my stuff. I have a great piece of artwork that actually came from IKEA. It's nothing fancy, it's just, I like it. And it just keeps reappearing in my house. Now the, over here, I've got this really cute mid-century chair. That's actually a real one that I found at an antique market for a ridiculously affordable price. I have artwork that is just literally a tear sheet out of a magazine. I don't know why I like it. I just do. I finally felt like I'd come home because I got my Mudo dot. Now you guys can't even see it. Okay, let me scoot you back. I kept saying, I just want it hung up somewhere. I just want it to be in my life. It's stupid because it's this little wood dot. But it means something to me and I want it up on my wall. So when we hung that finally on the wall, I was like, I'm finally home. I'm finally home. There we go. I just needed to have that up somewhere. And then I have this favorite dress. Again, it's nothing expensive. It's this dress from Zara that I just love. It's linen and it feels like summer to me, and I guess having it hanging up on the wall makes me feel cozy and happy and ready for summer at all times. Oh yeah, so over here, this is actually practical. Let's see if I can show you. I'm just gonna leave you guys standing there. No secrets here. You're on the video camera, so hi, wave to yourselves. Back here, I have my my bar, and I've got my step, and everything is just hidden back behind this TV cabinet. And it's perfect because I can just pull it out. I don't have to look at it all the time, but it's there when I need it, and it is ideal. So, and then inside here, I keep my weights. I have a spot to keep my weights and my boxing gloves, and all this is tucked inside here. So it's practical, but it's pretty because it's all corralled in this really great cabinet, and it just works. And this cabinet originally was all the same color as the interior, and I painted the outside, and I've been loving it ever since. I'm telling you, enjoy your spaces. They're not for everyone else, they're just for you. So that is it. That is the grand tour. Oh, I guess I can show you up here too before my battery dies. But up there, I just have a painting that I did myself, a really cute planter that I found at a local shop, and again, more tear sheets. So that's about it, guys. It's cozy, that's what I wanted. I wanted modern cozy. You guys know that's my style, modern cozy, and I like feeling like the space is put together and yet not. I am a woman of contradictions. So I hope that you've enjoyed this little mini tour. I've got so much more to share. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys soon. Oh, hey, I always forget to tell you, hit subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notifications, and visit us at houseofvalentina.com for more. We'll see you soon. Bye.